Two bodies found under the plane landing gear in the United States. It is believed that they are Jamaicans. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two people were found dead in the wheel well of a JetBlue plane after it landed at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport on Monday night, the airline has reported. According to reports from the airline on Tuesday, it said that the bodies were discovered during a post-flight maintenance inspection after it operated a flight 1801 from the John K. F. Kennedy International Airport in New York. The airline also stated that an investigation has been launched to ascertain the circumstances of how the now deceased men accessed the plane. The Broward County Medical Examiner's Office will perform autopsies to determine the cause of death of both individuals. Kerry Cott, spokesperson for the Broward County Sheriff Office, has quoted saying, "It's further reported that the investigation has not hampered operations at the airport." According to the Federal Aviation Administration, the landing gear component is often used by stowaways who don't realize how little the space is in the bay when the gear is retracted. Stowaways are often not crushed, however they end up losing consciousness with lack of oxygen or freezing once the plane is at cruising altitude. Citing a 2011 Federal Aviation Administration report, it said that 80% of the people who attempt to fly in the wheel well or other external compartment of an aircraft normally dies. It is believed that the deceased are Jamaicans, though their identities have not yet been confirmed. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.